Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can set up auto start on your Delonghi Eletta coffee machine. For example, it might be in an office or even at your home. You might want it to come on at 8 o'clock every morning. To do this, you already have to have the time set. We've already done a video on how to set the time. Now, if you have a look here, right now auto start is not on. I know that because we haven't got the symbol related to it. We just have the time and it says energy saving. When I do the auto start, you will see we will have a new little icon here. So to do it, all we're going to do is turn the machine on. So hit one of the buttons and then we're going to go into menu and we're going to scroll through using these left and right arrows, cappuccino for left, milk menu for right, until we have auto start. There we go, auto start. Now we're going to go to OK. It wants you to ask enable it. So we're going to go to OK for yes. And now it's asking us the time. Pretend now we want it for 8:05 a.m. This is a 24-hour clock, so it's not AM and PM. We just need to move this one for the hour to begin with, either that way or that way. You can hold it down to make it quicker. And then we're going to hit OK to go over to minutes. If we were to hold this down, you can see it will then go quick. Gets quicker the longer you hold it. So now pretend we want it to be 8:05. Like that, and press OK. Now, can you see this little symbol? That's the symbol for auto start. So now we're going to go back to menu here, and I'm just going to let it go into energy saving mode, which will take about a minute. And this time you will see it will say energy saving with the time, but it will have that weird little symbol. So let me just fast forward through the next 50 seconds or so. Obviously you have to have the correct time set, because otherwise the auto start will go off at the wrong time if the original time is incorrect. Right, so now you can see how it's different from the beginning. We have the time, energy saving, but we've got that little symbol. So you know now when you're leaving your office or when you go to bed at night, if you've got that little symbol, you know that auto start is selected. Now, you might be wondering why you don't see energy saving on your machine. You have to make sure that the milk jug is disconnected even to see this energy saving screen. For example, if I was to unplug this, you can see that energy saving is still there. But when I plug this in, this disables energy saving. So if this is plugged in, you're not even going to see that screen there. But that is how auto start works. And then you'll know what that little symbol means. And every time you see that symbol, you know that auto start is going to be working. And now if we want to turn off the auto start, it's very easy to do. All we have to do is from this screen here, we just need to hit menu. We need to find auto start again. Press OK, and this time it says disable with a question mark. When that comes up, just press OK, and now it's disabled. You can see that little symbol has gone. And if we were to press escape, we're back to here. When it goes into energy saving again, we're not going to have that little symbol. The same as you've seen at the beginning of the video, there was no symbol at the beginning. Now remember, with this feature, it is every single day. So when you go away for the weekend or away on holiday, make sure you turn auto start off. Imagine now if you went away for 2 or 3 weeks and every time it turns on, it does a little rinse. Imagine the mess you're going to come back to once you've got 3 weeks of rinses coming out from this drip tray here. So only use this feature in a sensible way where you remember to check it each and every day. Thanks for watching.